Hey guys, Glen Murray, Affiliate Profit Pages. How are you? Hope you're doing great. Welcome to the Echo review. Echo is a very cool program. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at it. We're going to look at basically my bonus page because I put some crazy bonuses together for you. If you do decide to pick this up, I'm a big fan of the producer. His name is Sean Josiah, and he's made like one of the top selling products on ClickBank. It's an amazing system there. My hat's on crooked. And he's also done some other great programs that I own. And so he's a great producer. So we're going to get into it. Before that, though, make sure that you hit subscribe if you like seeing videos about reviews and some other know-how stuff. I know I've really been on the review bend for a while, and I need to get back on some of the training stuff. So I will be doing that, and I'll be coming out with my own product as well. So make sure you hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, make sure you do a comment, and then let's go over and as we're going through the bonus page, I'll talk you through the what Echo is actually about. So Echo is a automated megastore, guys. Very cool. So what he's done is it's automated the ability to take viral videos off YouTube, put them on your own site, and then put your own affiliate links right on them. Instead of paying YouTube for ad money to be in front of those videos, you can put them on your site, and he's going to show you exactly how to drive traffic to it. Okay. So let's go down. We'll jump down to what the bonuses are, and then we'll go back through the sales page, and then we'll go through the one-time offers. So the first one I'm going to give you, and this is really cool, guys. This is Aurora. Let me just check something here real quick. Make sure I have the page I want to show you guys. Oh, I think I closed it down. Okay. Let's see. Where are we? There it is. All right. So So the first bonus that I'm going to give you, get you the license rights to Aurora. This is high ticket sales mastery. This is a really cool program. So if you were to just go be an affiliate for this program, for this product, if someone bought the whole funnel, you'd make about $500, something like that. Well, you get license rights. You get 100% commission on the whole thing. So you would actually end up, I think it's about $1,100 if you just sold one person through the whole funnel. So very cool having license rights to Aurora. And why I'm giving you this is one of the high ticket affiliate links that you'd want to plug right into this system. So just this alone, guys, even if you have something else, if you picked up the front end of this for, I think it's 17, and if you do the discount, it's like maybe $12. Just getting license rights to this, guys, this is huge. This is like a $200 to buy the license rights for this, and you get it for free for $12. So you definitely want to pick it. You want to grab it, just the front end for that. Now, there's also behind the scenes of a 5-figure affiliate marketer, and you're going, why do I want to see behind the scenes? This is an up and coming marketer. So you want to see what people are like in the trenches are doing. When you get to 6 figures, you've got a lot more money where you're able to outsource a lot more stuff. And this is more of some bootstrapping and do it yourself. So you really want to get into that. The next one is how to use Instagram influencers. One good influencer, guys, can take your business to the next level. And this is, of course, exactly how to basically get in touch with them, how to find them, how to basically find the right ones, contact them, and get them to blast out your message for you. And then the last one is insurgency. And this is all about when the time comes. This is probably the best Facebook ads course you could possibly get. So this is really this is made by 2 7-figure earners, guys. So this is how they're doing it, and it's going to show you how to scale to whatever level you want to from very beginning and starting. So that's what you have, and then you're going to get all the vendor bonuses. I'll show you those on the sales page. And also, guys, I've thrown in $500 worth of secret bonuses. I'm not going to tell you what they are, but they will help you, and they're $500 worth, and they will help you make this even more successful. So I'm just going to leave it at that. A little mystery behind there. So this is going to be going on for 4 days, and if you don't buy anything, guys, I don't want you to go away empty-handed. So I want you to, if you're just like, oh, Glenn, I don't know, click the link below, go to the sales page, scroll down, and download my free 6-figure blueprint checklist. Totally free. It's for you. I don't want you to go away empty-handed for watching this review. Okay, guys? So that is the bonus page. Let's go over to the sales page so you can have a look at what Echo looks like. I'll scroll up to the top here. So they do have a hypey video at the beginning. So deliver wave after wave of free buyer traffic and generates 24/7 sales on autopilot for us to cash in with no technical skills required. So one thing about Sean, which I really like, is he's got one of his programs that I'm all in on is called Perpetual Income. It's a great program, and he puts in these great tools for you where he basically sets everything up, guys, and you literally you click like pick, send. Like it's that easy. Next day, boom, almost always I've got a sale or two from doing that daily. Just things like that. So Sean really makes it a really seamless stuff in the background. So this is going to be a great product. If you're watching this and it's already out, maybe I'll do another review when it's out, because I don't have access to it yet because it hasn't. I'm doing this review before it's launched. I'll probably do another review of being inside it and showing you how it works exactly. So brand new cloud-based traffic software, drive unlimited free viral traffic. There's a video here. You guys can go watch that. It's not going to show you much. It's more of a hypey video. Saves thousands of dollars if you invest today. Like I said, it's $17. Scroll off the page. You're going to get it for, I think, $4 off, $4 or $5 off. So you get it for $12 or $13. There's some case studies there, some reviews, people that have tried it, and insane results with Echo, Bill McNulty, Kathleen Makarenko. So here it is, 3 steps. You set up your profile, add a few simple details, and your affiliate ID, which is important. You're probably going to be putting in your ClickBank ID, so you'll need a ClickBank account, and your Warrior Plus ID. I don't know if there's any. There could be some JVZoo and there could be some Digistore 24, but he'll show you in the back office how to get all those. And then you select a niche. You just pick a niche, and the software, click for traffic, click one button, and Echo will set up 20 plus viral traffic sources that deliver waves of traffic to your link. That's it. And you just rinse and repeat, guys. Rinse and repeat. You just keep doing it. Set up another niche, and just let it run. So that's how it goes. There's Sean there. Let's scroll down to the vendor bonuses. You guys can go through this and read it. And go down, and the vendor bonuses he's putting into. And also, guys, if you get a chance, Sean has some great training. He's a really good trainer. I've been on lots of calls with him, and he's really a great trainer. He really makes it simple. He breaks it down to make it simple. So let's jump down to the bonuses that the vendor is offering. So you're going to get $5,000 worth of free goodies. So the first one is the $14.93 a day Jumpstart Internet Marketing Kit. Great value there. I know that product. Awesome. 0 to 500 days in 30 days, and this is a great training. 46 per $486.23 a day set it forget blogging system. So this is a really cool strategy to profit from blogs without writing a single word. 30 days list explosion income, and 60-second funnel profit mastery, which of course is an awesome case study on this one as well. So that is the vendor bonuses. And we're going to go through the OTOs now, which is back on my bonus page. And guys, you can check this out again. The link is below. Jump over to my bonus page, and you'll be able to go through this, and you'll see the upsells and the downsells, guys, because I want you to make sure you know that. So the front end is Echo. So you get Echo for $17. It's a $13 downsell. Again, scroll off the page to get it. Make sure I get a thumbs up for that. Unlimited campaigns. This upgrade lets you remove all the limits. So usually when we get software like this for that front end cost, they do have a limit of a few runs, which is fine. So you can make money with it, but you really want to get, and I always say, you want to get the front end. You want to always get the unlimited, right? In this case, it's $97. Get the unlimited. I always recommend the unlimited. And then if you can afford it, get the done for you campaign. Let them set it up for you. It saves so much headache. It's worth it because they're the ones that made the software. They're going to make it so you're going to be successful because they're going to set you up with a successful campaign. So they're going to set you up so you have success, right? So the upgrade gives you hands-free experience where we set up everything for you, including done-for-you products and 5 fresh done-for-you campaigns in top niches, done-for-you bonus, done-for-you SEO optimization setup, and general fine-tune of sites. So that's awesome, guys. Just to deploy and start making money. I love that. Highly recommended. So again, guys, pick up the front end, OTO 1 and OTO 2. Now, if you want to go a little bit further, OTO 3 is going to be the traffic booster where you get to put your ad pixel on their sales page. So you get to ride their traffic sources. Sean drives a ton of traffic, guys. He is a top affiliate. So his sales pages get a ton of traffic. You're going to be able to model those audiences, and that's what you want. Traffic Maximizer is the how-tos to get high ticket commissions. Put that, use that how-to and put that on Aurora, which I'm giving you, and you are unstoppable. You could really have a nice payday and multiple nice paydays going on and on and on. Franchise license, upgrade grants you the license to sell Echo as your own and keep the profits for yourselves. So they'll take care of all the stuff. You just get to sell it for yourself. Passive Income Masterclass. This upgrade equips you with the skills to generate passive hands-free income, which Sean does. If I'm going to learn from someone, I'd definitely learn from Sean. $27, well worth it. And Multiple Streams of Income Masterclass. The upgrade equips you with skills to create multiple streams of income through our 7 specially selected multiple streams of income masterclass. So there you go. Key benefits: free built-in traffic, send thousands of free buyers to your site, completely automated sites, free hosting included. Your site will be preloaded with hot and for you products. So that is the review, guys. Now, what do I like about this? I like that it's Sean's product. That's the number one thing. I look at, as I've been doing these reviews, I know which producers make great products, and I'm starting to learn which producers make okay products. Sean makes great products. Will there be some hiccups and glitches? Absolutely. All these programs have it, guys, because they're coming out so fast. There'll be some hiccups, but when you get that, see, this is why I always say get the done for you, because when you get the done for you, you can keep going back to them, because if there's any glitches, they set up for you, they have to fix it, right? They're the ones that have to fix it. So you want that done for you. So that's why I really recommend picking up that. So again, the front end, the unlimited, and the done for you. And if you just want to get the high, maybe you have some sales pages that you're doing really well with, and you just wanted to get a high ticket item, just grab the front end of this and pick up the Aurora licensing. Like, that's a great thing. And if you don't want anything, guys, make sure you go back and grab my my free checklist. All right, so this has been the Echo review. I will probably come back and do another one for it, but the thing is, guys, the best price is going to be on launch. So I think there's going to be an early bird price, and then prices will go up, and some of the prices will change. So what I'm showing you right now is basically the launch prices. I don't know what they'll be later. Knowing what Sean does with his programs, he will be adding to this, and you will, if you're in it, he's going to keep up. He'll keep making it better and better and better for you. So I do really recommend Sean's products, and I recommend Echo. So this has been the Echo review and kind of a walkthrough and a tutorial on it. So I will see you on the next one. Pick it up. Make sure you subscribe, and then pick it up from the link below. Cheers, guys.